You playing with Daddy's car? I don't think I got the first one on video with you. Oh no. Oh no. I can't record and cut donuts at the same time. Gosh. She's trying her best to get it. Oh no. I'm stuck. Ah! She got it. Alright.
Go, bye-bye.
Did you have fun? Oh no. Don't break it. It's cheap. It's made very cheap.
Come here. Come, Mama.
It's just flimsy, thin plastic.
Let's go.
But I think we got this at Walmart for like 40 bucks and it's been the most fun. I've had it for like 3 years and I've went through a couple sets of tires and these are just, it'll just sit and go, go, go. We'll have to get another one.
Oh, it's easy.